Welcome to Kamin Bird Hostel, where tranquility meets urban charm in the heart of Bangkok. Scan the QR code on your screen now to secure your serene escape. This intimate retreat, though modest in size with only 4 thoughtfully appointed rooms, offers a refreshing sanctuary from the city's vibrant pulse. Built and last renovated in 2013, this boutique hostel blends contemporary simplicity with warm hospitality, creating an atmosphere that feels both modern and inviting. Each room at Kamin Bird Hostel is designed as a peaceful cocoon, where clean lines and understated elegance provide comfort after days spent exploring Bangkok's dynamic streets. Located just 7 kilometers from the city center and a convenient 30-minute drive from the airport, the hostel serves as an ideal base for travelers seeking both accessibility and respite. Step outside your room and discover a lush garden oasis, a rare find in the urban landscape, where you can unwind beneath swaying palms or enjoy quiet moments with a book. Complimentary Wi-Fi keeps you effortlessly connected, whether sharing your journey or planning the next adventure. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., allowing you to settle in at leisure, while checkout extends until 11 a.m. for unhurried mornings. Please note that additional charges may apply for children, as the hostel maintains its adults-oriented ambience. For those who appreciate understated elegance and personalized hospitality, Kamin Bird Hostel offers a distinctive stay where simplicity meets serenity. Don't forget to scan the QR code now to book your tranquil retreat.